Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Expedition screen. First, let's try a soft reset. This simple method often fixes minor glitches and improves screen responsiveness without affecting your saved settings. It's a great first step if your screen is acting a little strange or frozen. You won't lose any of your personalized preferences, so it's a safe and quick way to troubleshoot common display issues. To perform a soft reset, locate the power button and the right seek button on your Expedition's infotainment system. Press and hold both of these buttons down at the same time. Keep holding them for about 10 to 15 seconds or until the screen completely turns off. Once the screen goes blank, you can release the buttons and let the system reboot itself. This usually takes a minute or two. Sometimes, a soft reset isn't enough, and you might need to perform a hard reset. This is typically reserved for more stubborn problems, like a completely unresponsive screen or recurring software errors. Keep in mind that a hard reset will wipe all your personal data and settings, returning the system to its original factory state. It's a more drastic step, but often effective for serious issues. To initiate a hard reset, you'll need to access your Expedition system settings through the touchscreen. Look for an option labeled Master Reset or Factory Reset within the Settings menu. Once you find it, select it and confirm your decision when prompted. The system will then begin the reset process, which can take several minutes. Your screen will restart, and you'll need to set up your preferences again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.